Hi everyone. Today we will be making dal makhni. This is black lentil mixed with butter. It's one of the favorite lentils in India, and today I will be making that for you. So let's get into the ingredients and see how we will be making it. So first of all, you would take this black lentil. It's also called urad dal whole. Add some red beans into it because we have to soak them overnight in water. But before soaking, there's some steps that you need to do, which is cleaning dal. So what do we do is we put it in water and rub between our palms. We need to do it a couple of times, and we also need to change the water again and again so that it could be clean. So when you are rubbing it, you would see that the water turns black. This means you are on the right track. It's cleaning the lentils, and that's what you want to achieve as part of it. So yes, you can see you have to spend good amount of time doing this. The more amount of time you clean this dal, you put into cleaning the dal, the better it's going to be. Change the water, doing it again. Just keep doing it a couple of times. Once the dal has been cleaned a couple of times, just change it with water and then you can keep it overnight, right? Because you still have to keep it overnight. It makes the dal preparation that you need to do in the morning much easier by putting it in water overnight, right? So I just put it into water, keeping it overnight. So once you have done this, let's get into the ingredients because this was the first step we had to start with. So I'm going to take 3 to 4 tomatoes, cut it into half. We would need 1 cup of water. Very minimum ingredients. You would need ginger, garlic and green chili. 1 green chili is good enough. I would take 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Coriander powder, a tablespoon is good enough. We would also need a tablespoon of red chili powder. Then around 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of Himalayan pink salt. So in the morning, first of all, I'll put the dal with the red beans into a pressure cooker. Put some water over it. After putting some water, just put a couple of tablespoons of salt. I'm just doing it somewhere around a tablespoon of salt. Close the lid. Let the cooker whistle for 6 times at least, because this dal is a bit hard and it needs a little bit more time for the preparation, right? On the other side, take your blender and put the tomatoes into it. You need to make a good puree out of the tomatoes, but it's not just about putting tomatoes. Once you have the tomatoes inside, put ginger, garlic and green chili as well, so that you could create the puree with these ingredients as well. So the puree has to be pretty smooth. So if you need to blend it a couple of times, kindly do that because it has to be very smooth. On the other side, my pressure cooker has done its job. 6 whistles done. We have released the pressure. You can see the dal looks a bit different than what we started with, right? Just keep it on low flame, mix it well. Just see if it's soft or not. So you can see the dal, the lentil that I have, it's pretty smooth, pretty soft. That's what you want to bring the stage on. But don't switch off the stove. You still need to keep it on low, keep stirring. The more you stir, the better it's going to taste. And that's one of the most important thing in preparation of the black lentil, which is dal makhni. So you can see on one stove I have this taken care of. It's already on low. I'm going to stir it, right? This has to be done every couple of minutes. On the other side in the pan I put the butter. You may want to put more butter, but I'm pretty good with 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Once this butter starts melting, put the puree that we created in the last step. Just put the puree in. Once the puree is in, put some salt over it as well, because once you put the salt on the puree, the tomatoes would start roasting pretty fast. That's one of the reason we do it. Just keep roasting them until and unless you see the butter oozing out of the tomato puree. You have to do it. Now time to put the spices in, starting with coriander powder and red chili powder. Put them in, mix them pretty well, roast the spices well. You don't have to burn the spices or even the tomato puree, just roast it pretty well. Once it's roasted properly, it's now time to mix your black lentil into this tomato puree. So bring that pressure cooker that you were using earlier, put the dal, just put it inside the tomato puree. Once the dal is inside and you mix it pretty well, you would see the color starts changing. Now this is how a dal that you would have outside your home would look like. So you have actually been able to create a similar looking dal at home. Put some water in, keep stirring. As I said, right, the more you stir, the better it's going to be. So I'm not going to stop stirring now. I have to keep stirring it. Just keep doing it for a couple of minutes, which is at least 5 to 10 minutes. After that, if you think it's too thick, you need more water, put some water and again keep stirring for another 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you would see a good consistency of dal is ready. It's very well cooked. This is how it would look like. Just serve it with naan bread, or it could be a chapati, or it could even be rice. Have it and do let me know if you liked it or not. Thank you for watching.